Are you gonna do a cold start or is yours warm?
Mine's cold.
All right, do yours first. Let's listen. Hey, don't hit the deer. Poor deer. Poor deer. Jeez, this bike is so loud. Alrighty. Oh, I hate this light. Today we're going to talk about, I guess we can talk about, is a 600cc bike, is it a good beginner bike? I always used to watch, oh, am I getting rained on? I don't know, screw it. Yeah, but I always used to watch hella videos. I was like, should I get a 600cc bike? 600cc bike for my first... I always wondered if I should get a 600cc bike as like my first bike. To be honest, I would have, but I wasn't allowed to, so that's why I started on the 400.
You ever wanted to have a race with a Toyota RAV4?
A race? I need to get a frickin' like Pack Talk or Senna or something. Yeah, I mean, this bike's totally controllable, especially it has different modes like A, B, and then standard. So, I mean, if you've never ridden a bike before or done clutch, I would say, I want to make sure he's going straight. I would say, do not start on a 600 if you've never ridden a bike before. But if you've done like dirt bikes, four-wheelers and all that, and you're familiar with the clutch, go ahead and get a 600, because if you're gonna get like a 400 or something, I feel like you're gonna want more power in like a couple months. That's kind of what happened to me. But yeah, I would say personally I would just get a 600 only if you've ridden bikes before. But that doesn't mean that you don't, like, even if you've never, if you've never ridden before, like, I guess you could start on a 600, but it'd be kind of sketchy. But you can do what you want, you know, your life, your money. But you also have your whole life to work up to a higher cc bike, so skirt. Oh, control. Ready? I hope it doesn't rain. I see you trying to get those pops and bangs in. Yeah, I feel like people always like overcomplicate like getting a 600 as like a first bike. Like you totally can like ride a 600 as a first bike. Like I said, it would just be kind of sketchy because of all the power. So yeah, like I said, just to keep it simple, I would get a 600 if you know how to ride a bike already. If you don't know no clue how to ride, I would start with the low cc bike because you're gonna learn a lot more. Like I remember I would hear people say like it's true. Like starting a low cc bike, like get familiar with turning, leaning, just all that, and then work your way up. Because you're gonna learn a lot more on a low cc bike than you will on starting on a 600. Because like I said, I wanted to start on a 600, but I'm kind of glad that I started on a 400 because you know I did learn a lot on it though. Sheesh, got a house. Hey, shoddy. A Sportster? Like a Sportster. I like the new Sportsters. I think they look pretty sweet. But yeah, really? Yes, sir. Those kids are like, oh my god, he's doing a wheelie. That's why you get a 600 as your first bike, baby. No, I'm just kidding. No, don't get a 600 as your first bike unless you know how to ride already. Yeah, take this little warning sticker off. It looks so much better. My buddy said it would look raw if it took these off. I don't know. Let me know. It would be, the tank would just be all black. I feel like that'd be pretty raw. Hey, thanks for. I would say thank you for all love and support so far too. We've been growing pretty good. like that. Oh, we're by Crocker Park. Ah! My ears. Cracker stop. Oh! Yep. My baby sound real noise. Alright, time to put my rear pegs to use. Just kidding. I don't have an extra helmet. You got a red light, buddy. You just... What? Oh, green. It's green. Ooh. I can't help it. Ooh, yeah. But yeah, like I said, there's not really a lot to it. I mean, like I said, it's you can't start on a 600 if you know how to ride. It would be a lot safer. If you don't know how to ride, I would stick to a lower CC bike. It would be a lot less sketchy, and you learn a lot more. Yep. Ooh, it's nice up here. Sheesh. I feel like this would be a dope picture spot, to be honest. Shut up. Ah. Alright, but yeah. I want the video being really long. So yeah. If you do get a 600 bike though, and you know, you're still kind of new to riding, I would stick it in B mode. Have the traction control and you should be fine. Just don't ride it like an idiot and you'll be good. So yeah. I think that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys liked, please like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.